In my audience sat a man who, by his confession, was broke. He had read the same book, but he suddenly realized he had done nothing with the use of his imagination to solve his financial problem. He decided he would try to imagine himself as the as the winner of the 510 pool at Caliente Racetrack. In his words, in this pool, one attempts to pick winners in the 5th through the 10th races. So this is what I did. In my imagination, I stood sorting my tickets and feeling as I did so that I had each of the 6 winners. I enacted this scene over and over in my imagination until I usually felt goose pimples. Then I saw the cashier give me a large sum of money which I placed beneath my imaginary shirt. This was my entire imaginal drama. And for 3 weeks, night after night, I enacted this scene and fell asleep in the action. 3 weeks again. Is anybody here willing to do 3 days? 3 weeks. You're seeing and hearing testimonials that happen of a magnitude that's barely imaginable. 3 weeks. What would you do for 3 weeks that could get you anything you desired? Anything you desired. This was my entire imaginal drama, and for 3 weeks, night after night, I enacted this scene and fell asleep in the action. After 3 weeks, I traveled physically to the Caliente Racetrack, and on that day, every detail of my imaginative play was actually realized. The only change in the scene was that the cashier gave me a check for a total of $84,000 instead of currency. TK.